Howdy. Welcome to Steampunk Diesel. On today's episode, we're being mechanics and field welders because I became a welder again. Currently, this is my projects. Yeah, all that shit to go. But first, we're having only the finest, the best lunch I could afford. We're the best lunch we can eat out here from fucking microwaves. Because around here, we get poor man's food, right? Poor man's food.
Chips and a Red Bull. That's all you need.
Chips and a Red Bull and
water.
Wherever, somewhere. And this nice slop, as I call it. Alright, so here's what we got going on. We are currently fixing cracks because cracks on these boxes suck ass. Although it is a very nice view. We're up in the mountains of Utah, aka desert, next to a power plant, next to some fans that they finally shut off, and fixing that too. Yeah. Here's the dimes.
Sometimes you just gotta stack down.
I mean, not the prettiest, but for what it's doing, it'll hold. It's been a while, but they still look alright in my book. It'll fucking hold, damn it. Maybe. Alright, we're gonna finish this up because this is retarded. We got a lot more to go. And yeah, we'll check back in with y'all guys later. Hope y'all have a great day and enjoy it. Right, Sally Poo?
Who the fuck are you calling Sally Poo?
Sally Poo.
The name's Lobo.
Look, his name is Lobo now. We'll see y'all next time, guys.